Hello.
Hey guys, we are back together again, and this time we are where?
Back together again.
Yes.
Original bad man, his body baby,
It's V-Kills.
standard, catching that vibe.
This is Maxwell Hill in Oistins.
Guys, I'm so excited.
Hey guys, today's video is showcasing a charming rental in this vibrant southern coast of Barbados in an area known as Oistins.
Yeah, so there we are.
So, if you are a recent visitor to the island, maybe on the welcome stamp visa, for remote workers, or even a retiree looking to find the perfect place for your upcoming seasonal stay, or simply interested to see what is available in Barbados currently for a long-term rental stay, then keep watching, guys. Hey guys, I am super excited to share yet another video in my latest series on property in Barbados, where we look at all things sales and rentals.
To Oistins.
With our lovely realtor, Judy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Expat Barbados. And today we are in a beautiful area on the south coast of Barbados, in that famous fishing village you've all heard about, Oistins. And we are just above it in an area called Maxwell Hill. And we have a fantastic apartment to share with you today.
We're here in Christ Church, Oistins in fact. So come on in, open plan, living and dining area. Hello and welcome back to Jay's channel. We're here in Oistins in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. As you can see, we've just walked into the living room area. There's a 3-piece sofa, coffee table, rug, and another coffee table. And it's been tastefully decorated with nicely bright colours.
Definitely a Caribbean flavour here.
Correct. Walking through slightly, we have a table for those who are here in the working. Wi-Fi is included in this rental, by the way. And that's a nice addition for some people. And looking through, there's a table for dining and breakfast area. And you can see they've put a tablecloth on this table, but it's a nice table, but I just put it on there for protection.
Yeah, beautiful wooden table.
And 3 chairs are included.
Yeah, and look, it's very nice chairs, this.
Very nice,
Beautiful.
sturdy chair.
Everything's very clean and
Correct,
yeah.
It seems like they've redone it again, revamped it after the last tenant has left. So it's lovely, it's very lovely. Well looked after. Right, you will see that this is a long living dining room area. It's about over 30 feet long. It's a very spacious area.
What if people had a bit of furniture that they wanted, are they allowed to bring in another chair? Because there's a lot of space.
Well, I don't think that would be a problem because there's a lot of space. But if you're coming from overseas, would you want to bring furniture from overseas? Or unless you wanted something special, you had, I don't know, 2 monitors or something, I don't see that shouldn't be a problem. Right, going through onto the right hand side, we have a washer dryer. It's tucked away in the corner, you can't see it from the living room at all. It's a washer dryer. But there's also a place for you downstairs in the backyard to dry your clothes if you don't like to dry your clothes using a machine. There is a window here. We've just got, and we pull the blind up. You can see the trees outside.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Let me pull that down.
Yeah.
Leave it like that. And if you turn around, Jay, you will see the kitchen area. Now the kitchen area is a U-shaped kitchen. There's some storage, lots of storage here. Fridge freezer, whirlpool fridge freezer, a toaster oven, an electric stove with double sink and dish drainers.
Everything's very well taken care of.
Correct. And there's a lot of counter space for you to to prep your food and prepare your meals in the morning and in the evening. There is a microwave, which I nearly missed, and a Hamilton Beach blender.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage.
There's a lot of storage. At the tops, there's wine glasses and tumblers as required. And let's open this cupboard and let's see what's in here. We have plates and breakfast bowls and containers to use for the microwave.
Yeah.
One more thing I need to show you. There is the drawers with the spoons and knives.
Some cutlery there.
Yeah. And the pots and pans.
Wow. Oh wow, yes. Very bright.
The
I
pots
love
and
that
pans,
turquoise.
yes. So it's a nice spacious kitchen. I mean, look at, we're both in this kitchen and there's still lots of room.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of room to walk around. And my
Space to
hands
store
here.
things here,
Correct.
even above here as well.
Correct.
And then, yeah, it's lovely. The tiles are lovely all the way throughout the entire apartment. It's the same tile floor,
It's
isn't it?
tiled throughout.
Yeah, it's
Same
cool.
tile. They've looked after it very well. There's a fan in this room, a fan in the light, even though it's very breezy. And if we walk through the apartment, we can go straight into the bedroom. I call it bedroom number 1, because both bedrooms are the same size. And it is been brightly decorated with soft furnishings.
Yeah.
It is lovely.
I love these colours.
Yeah, the colours are lovely. And then we have a lovely view outside.
Wow, I'm just looking at this leather bed head. Isn't it beautiful? And also, I just love the bedding, to be honest. It's basically very much like what you see when you look out your window.
Yeah, it's a
this-
standard size bed, but it's
Yeah.
lovely. Yeah, it reflects.
It reflects the
what you see
environment.
outside.
Yeah.
Correct.
Let me have a look out that window there. Oh my goodness, is that a banana tree out there?
That is indeed, it's a banana tree.
Hey guys, look at this.
There's a lot of greenery.
Beautiful, and look at the houses in the distance. And I can't wait to show you the outside of this house.
It is very Caribbean. It is very Caribbean. We've got double wardrobes here. They're built-in wardrobe, but there's double wardrobes and storage on top as well.
Yeah.
You could call it his and hers, I suppose.
Yeah. I'll go over in this corner and see if I can get another angle, everybody, so you can see just how much space there is. See? There we go.
It's a lovely room.
Now this room does not have a fan, but it does have this AC. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
It's a window mounted AC. These are literally portable. They can be taken away and put somewhere else into another window. But as this is here, you can't open and close the window. But if this was taken out, you could. I think they're less than a year old. They're not that old. So it's a new model window AC unit.
Lovely.
All right, shall we go through to the next bedroom?
Yes.
Which is a different colour scheme. You would like this one, Jay.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Beautiful.
Wow, look at this.
Beautiful.
Same leather
Headboard, yes.
headboard.
Standard size bed again. But
Yeah.
this is a slightly lower bed. The other one's a bit higher.
Right, okay.
And the double his and hers wardrobes again. And the cupboards at the top. But look at these curtains.
Yeah, I'm looking at the, and of course the finials. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. You've got the sea from this side. Look at that. That's Oistins down there.
Oistins, yes, correct. That is Oistins. Oistins town.
Wow. Yeah. So yeah, we're on the south today then, aren't we?
Yeah, south, not St. Philip today. We're in the South Christ Church on the south coast. Literally 5 minutes away from the beach.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Yeah,
It's
beautiful
beautiful.
guy.
It's lovely.
Lots of storage and another same
Same again with the AC in the window.
Yeah.
You can't open and close that window because it's got the AC mounted there.
But you've got this one that you can open if you just wanted the breeze.
Correct, sure.
Yeah, and you've got the fan, of
And
course.
you've got a ceiling fan.
Yeah, which is perfect.
Right. The
Yes.
last room that we're about to see is the bathroom. Right. So this is it's only got one bathroom in this apartment, but it's a lovely bathroom. As you can see the features in here.
Let me have a look.
You come, yes.
I'll come a little bit closer.
All the furnishings, all the soft furnishings are new.
Yeah.
The tiles, the beautiful tiles.
Yeah. And look, guys, that's a good shower head. Yeah. Yeah.
And it's wonderful.
You've got for your towel. Again, lots of storage. The cupboards are really good.
There's storage everywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, underneath there is just cleaning materials at the moment.
Yeah.
But this is, yes, there's lots of storage.
Okay, guys, you can see, and then another towel rail. There we go. You can see just how close everything is, guys. And then when we walk out here, and there you go. And can you tell us about that door at the back?
The door at the back is, behind that door is a storage room. But it
Right.
it's not part of this apartment.
Yes.
It's storage for the main house.
Right.
So, but what happened, you can, they have a door here so you can access into here, but that remains locked at all times.
Yes.
On this side and on the other side.
Yeah, yeah. It's very typical for people to have those.
Different access points.
Yeah, yeah. So that's it, guys. There you are. So hopefully you can get the flow of everything. Bedrooms over there, bathroom over there. It's very simple layout, but very big.
It's simple there, but it's very spacious.
Yeah.
Here, it's almost like you can hear an echo.
Yeah, yeah. About the flat screen TV.
Right, well, there's a flat screen TV in this apartment. It's a smart TV, and I believe it has Flow TV on there, and that's all included in the rate.
Wow, that's good.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, it is, definitely.
This apartment is priced at Barbados $2,800 and US dollars $1,400. All the utilities are included, which is very good value. Electricity is included as well, but it's capped at $250 Barbados per month.
Okay.
So if you go over that amount, obviously you would have to pay. If you've seen the previous video when I talked about another apartment in St. Philip, Catarina Estates, that was $2,600. Now they're probably roughly about the same. The price will work out about the same because that did not include electricity. This apartment includes electricity.
Yes.
If you go over $250, you have to pay the difference. So it's roughly priced about the same. It's just one that includes electricity and one doesn't.
And tell us about the area, because obviously different areas will command a different rent.
Correct. We're on the south coast here with all the amenities of the south coast.
Exactly.
We have supermarkets, we have shops, we have restaurants, we have bars, we have
Oistins, you're right on top of Oistins.
Oistins,
Miami Beach and all the
Oistins
different...
Friday night at Oistins.
Oh my gosh.
And on the south coastal road, all the different restaurants and everything that's going on. But literally, we're still in a residential area, even though we're in Oistins. Yeah. We're set back from the main road a little bit, so you don't hear all the hustle bustle at night in the evenings.
Yeah.
So that's the main difference. And when that apartment that we saw in St. Philip, that was really the countryside area. So that is why it might seem like there's a price disparity. But if you sit down and work it out, it's virtually the same. They're costing virtually the same.
So in a way, that's why St. Philip is a really good area if you're happy to be a little bit further out and want to pay a little bit less. But if you want to be, like we know some of you want to be close and accessible to all the nightlife when you want it, then these are the
South Coast.
South Coast
And it's easier from the South
better.
Coast to get down to Bridgetown.
Definitely to Bridgetown.
Correct.
Yeah.
So a lot of people like that, and the South Coast goes all the way down to St. Lawrence Gap.
And the airport's still not too far from here, really, is it?
Airport's literally.
It's not far.
No, it's not far. No, it's not far from here. 5-6 minutes. Yeah, literally.
So it's not far. So it is really in a very popular area. So that's why it commands that. So there we go, guys.
If you want to rent this apartment, just contact me at Blue Sky Properties Inc. My email address will be in the link along with the website address.
Thank you, Judy.
You're welcome.
Now we're going to have a look outside.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man.
And your banana tree.
It's fake hills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove.
Wicked.
Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know say make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they...
We're in Maxwell Hill, Oistins, and if you travel along this road and take the next right, it will lead you to Popular Supermarket.
It is a very good supermarket, guys.
It is very good.
It's the best discounted supermarket on the island. Yeah.
And you can get everything you need there.
And then, guys, just look at that. Oistins is down there. So that's the coastal road, isn't it?
Down, see where you just saw a bus pass?
Yes.
That was the coastal road.
Yeah, the one at the far, not the
Correct.
close
Not
one,
the close
the
one.
far one,
Yeah.
closer to the sea. So yeah.
So this is the location of the apartment.
So
2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment.
so that's it there.
For me radio. Every day they play me on me radio. Then they film me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling on me yard and me sitting on the low key. Shake cozy. Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk.